how you can turn off dial pad sound on your iPhone. How you can turn off. Now this is the sound I'm talking about. Now if you don't want this sound on your iPhone, I'll teach you guys how to fix that. But before that, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let us begin. So the first step is go to your settings. Now when you're on your settings, just go to sounds and haptics. And now you'll need to turn this slider all the way to the left. After you've done that, your phone is now completely mute, and you can do this by simply using the button on your side too. After you do that, just go to your dial pad and try to type again, and you'll notice the sound is not there anymore. So that is basically how you fix it. That is how you turn off dial pad sound on your iPhone, guys. Thank you for watching. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.